Good morning to all my children. Did you read the third chapter? Last class we dealt with some points about mountains, continents, 7 continents. I hope you all read the chapter. So today we are moving with the remaining chapter and we are going to deal with plains. P-L-A-I-N-S. Plains. Large flat areas are known as plains. Large flat areas are known as plains. And this plains covers more than 1/3 of the land. This plains covers more than 1/3 of the land. And these plains, they are mainly formed by rivers. They are mainly formed by rivers originating from mountains and hills. They are originating mainly from mountains and hills. Plain which borders an ocean are known as coastal plain. Listen carefully. The hills, that is the plain which borders an ocean, they are known as coastal plain. So my dear children, first we were discussing about plains. Large flat areas are known as plains. Then we were saying about it covers more than 1/3 of land. And how they are formed? They are formed mainly by rivers originating from mountains and hills. Then the next point, plain which borders an ocean. The plain which borders an ocean is known as coastal plain. It is known as coastal plain. Then the next point, we are moving with deserts. I hope this term is familiar for all the students. Yes or no? So what is a desert? Large area of dry land with little rainfall. These areas are known as deserts. These areas are known as desert. This desert area receives only little rainfall. And few plants will grow in the desert. Very few plants will grow in the desert. And deserts are of two types. Hot desert and cold deserts. Deserts are of two types. Hot deserts and cold deserts. That is the main points about the deserts. Then we are moving with hills. We are moving with hills. So listen carefully. Hills also raised landforms. These hills also form raised landform. Then next we are going to deal with valleys. V-A-L-L-E-Y-S. Valleys. That is, area of land between mountains or hills are known as valleys. Area of land between mountains or hills, that area is known as valleys. Is it clear for you? Okay. So last we are going to deal with plateaus. We are going to deal with plateaus. Listen carefully. Area with flat top is known as plateaus. Area with flat top is known as plateau. They are different from mountain. These plateaus are different from mountain because mountains have pointed peaks. What is the difference between these plateaus and mountains? This plateau is entirely different from mountain. Why? Because mountains have pointed, sharp and pointed peaks. Then plateaus are called tableland. We know that plateau is like table, that is in our home, dining tables are there, not oval shape and all. In old homes and all we can see square shaped table, is it? That the shape of this plateau is like a table. So these plateaus are also known as table land. And examples for hot deserts and cold deserts. So examples for hot deserts are Thar Desert in Rajasthan. Thar Desert. And example for cold desert is Ladakh in northern India. Ladakh in northern India. So my dear children, before winding today's class, we were dealing with plains. Then we were seeing some features of plains, mountains, what is a mountain, what is a valley, is it? We were saying about all the things. Then we were saying about deserts, and at last we were saying about plateaus. So my dear children, again some points are there, then only our third chapter will be over, but 2 classes are over. So you have to go through the classes, write the points at the back of your notebook and prepare and be ready for the first midterm exam. So have a nice day. God bless you. Thank you.